Today I'm going to draw a Pokemon character, kind of an odd one. It's a bit of a cat and a bit of a squirrel and a bit of a kangaroo, all in one, and with 3 funny fingers. It's Mewtwo. This funny-looking creature is kind of in a pose pointing at us with its 3 fingers, and a kind of not-so-nice look on its face. We're going to use purple and pink for this one. Maybe those colors will make it look a little friendlier when we get done. This one will be filed under Really Odd Cartoon Characters in my file. What about you? You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.